Hello everyone. Today I will show how to disable notifications on Google Chrome. Sometime we open our PC and we can watching this feature in our desktops. As soon as we open the computer, we see that a lot of bad messages or notifications show up on our computer display. This often affect our personality because sometimes we are open our computers with our family members. Now we will see how such problems can be solved. This is the most important for us because its effect on our personality. Okay. For solve this problem, we open the browsers and need to go the customers menu. We just click in there, custom and control Google Chrome, and need to click on settings. Okay, after settings, in the URL type the content with a backslash and press the enter button. We write the content and backslash, press enter. You need to read the address of the sites from which the notification come and remove this site from the notification flow the video display method. We read these sites, which sites from show this messages and notifications. We find in there is notifications. We just click on notifications and we find all addresses there notifications. Okay, we are back again. Also we find in the recent activities allowed notifications. We enter again notifications and we search in there. You get all websites notifications is there. You read your necessary websites and unnecessary websites. Just click on this menu bar, more actions, and just click on remove. When we remove this, then you can see automatically all message is gone. Friends, hope your problem also can be solved. Now we are review again. Continue watching. If you do not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technologies video. Continue watching, review again. We click on content, then we go to the notifications from there. Okay, we get notifications and we find in there is all address in there. Okay, and you need to remove from your unnecessary notifications bar. Hope you can solve your problem very easy. Again, I want to say thanks for watching.